Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel, and this is a continuation video of assembling this Hyosung GV 250 or Aquila 250. So many people kept asking on how much does this vehicle cost new. So this is a 2014 DSK Hyosung Aquila. So it was marketed by DSK Motors. Right now DSK Benelli it is. So the spares for this vehicle is a bit hard to find, and also it is too costly. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm just fixing the old parts, just refurbishing and fixing the old parts where I have painted and serviced it, overhauled and serviced the vehicle. So to be honest, this vehicle is great, but as a regular commuter vehicle, this one will give you a lot of trouble because the tires are too costly at the rear, also at the front. So as you could see the card which I'm posted at the top, you can just pause and take a screenshot of it. So it gives all the information of the vehicle. So most of the screws and bolts in this vehicle has been rusted off, so I have took the liberty to buy new screws. Okay, so this as the one you see here, right? So this one was completely rusted, so I had to buy a new bolt for this one. So this is the new TVS bolt which I got. So it is an anti-rust coating bolt, so which could help you for the next 10 to 15 years, I think. So we have to insert it from the inside, so we have to remove the tires for actually, but I'm not going to do that. So here, and this one is called as dome nut. So it is for style appealing, and also it will not get stuck in your pants or saris. Someone is sitting at the rear. And one more thing is I have painted this engine in black, complete matte black. So as you could see, it is, that's the reason why it is looking bit good. The clutch case is the next one which I'm going to paint in silver. So I have completely painted the engines and the radiator. So I have not used any spray cans or something. I have a old compressor. This one is a 20 liters compressor which I got for around 8,000 in 2020. And I also have a paint gun. Okay, this from Mastech, costed 800. So the paint which I am using for painting these parts or automotive paints, I'm not using any kind of local paints which I get from the hardware. These are all auto fast paint, so that within 20 minutes the first coat will be dried and you can apply the second coat. So as you could see, this is the clutch case, so I have painted it completely. Sorry I couldn't take a video, and I have also fixed this. Also, if you want watch how I fix the clutch plates, so I will give the link above in the cards. You can also check that in the link and also in the description. So the next major struggle to fix is these spark plugs. So in order to remove or mount the spark plugs, we have to remove this radiator, oil radiator. So we have to remove those two bolts at the top. And these are the spark plugs which I got. So this is easy, you can get it from NGK or any other brands at your local shops. This one is actually easily available, which cost you around 120 or 130, I guess. So you have to purchase around 2 for this first cylinder and the second one. So to remove or fix the spark plug, you need a special longer spark plug tool. Okay, so here I have did some sort of jugaad with 2 spark plug remover tools. Okay, so I would suggest, if anyone is planning to tighten or remove these plugs, I would suggest you to get a longer spark plug tool. So it's actually easy. So the second spark plug is actually at the top. So to remove this, you need this sort of long tool. So I have used 2 spark plug removers, as I told you, and that then only you can easily remove this. So you also have to remove this tube. Okay, I think it's a fuel tube. You have to remove this, then it will be easy for you guys to remove the spark plug. So next comes the air filter. So this complete air filter setup is totally different compared to other vehicles. So let me fix and show you guys. So as you guys could see, this air filter is completely dirty. So I have cleaned it, but it's just up to 50%, I would say. So I'm in searching for the air filter right now. So I will update you guys when I get this air filter. So kindly stay tuned for the next videos on this Hyosung. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.